Hey guys, and welcome to my new cooking video where I show you the vegan amazing watermelon steak. Therefore you need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, plus 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chili and some pepper and salt according to taste. Mix everything up and set aside. Now to the watermelon. This is the hardest part because you have to cut rectangles out of it so that you get a perfect shape to actually fry it in the pan. After finishing, you just put everything in the marinade. You can flip it a few times and afterwards just set it aside for like 20 minutes. When the time's over, just put everything in an already hot pan and let it fry for a few minutes. Because you still have so much remaining marinade, just marinate everything that you like. For the watermelon, you should leave the single pieces on one side for a few minutes and then start turning it until everything's crispy. Just put in the other ingredients that you like and do the same thing. And this is what my result looks like. The perfect watermelon steak, along with some side dishes that you can just choose according to your taste. Another secret advice, sprinkle some savory on it, it's awesome! Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below which ingredients should be included in the next recipe. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and definitely tag me on Instagram or Twitter once you try one of my recipes. I wish you a wonderful day and see you in the next one. Bye!